Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the LCD cover on your HP 15cs2004ns can seem daunting, but with the right tools and a little patience, you can do it yourself. Let's dive into the process step by step. Tools required: Phillips screwdriver, plastic opening tools, tweezers, soft cloth, isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, replacement LCD cover. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Start by ensuring your workspace is clean and well lit. Lay down a soft cloth to protect your laptop from scratches. Step 2. Power off and unplug. Before you begin, make sure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible for added safety. Step 3. Remove the screws. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove all screws on the back panel of your HP 15cs2004ns. Keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. There are usually around 8 to 10 screws, so be meticulous. Step 4. Open the back panel. Carefully use your plastic opening tool to pry open the back panel. Start from one edge and gently work your way around. Be cautious not to force it to avoid breaking any clips. Step 5. Disconnect the LCD. Once the back panel is removed, locate the LCD connections. Disconnect the cables by gently pulling them out. Make sure you are careful not to damage any components. If you're unsure, refer to the laptop's service manual. Step 6. Remove the old LCD cover. Now, you will need to detach the old LCD cover. There may be additional screws or clips holding it in place. Remove them with your screwdriver or plastic tools. Step 7. Clean the area. Before installing the new LCD cover, take a moment to clean the surrounding area. Use a soft cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol to remove any dust or debris. This will ensure a clean fit for the new cover. Step 8. Install the new LCD cover. Take your new LCD cover and position it correctly. Align it with the screw holes and gently press it into place. Reattach any screws or clips that were previously removed. Step 9. Reconnect the LCD cables. Reconnect the LCD cables carefully, ensuring they are securely in place. This step is crucial for the functionality of your screen. Step 10. Replace the back panel. Once everything is connected, put the back panel back on. Press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert all screws to secure the panel. Step 11. Power on your laptop. Finally, plug in your laptop and power it on. Check that the display is working correctly. If you encounter issues, double-check your connections. If you need assistance or prefer professional help, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. For your convenience, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, meaning no calls and no travel for you. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair begins, making it hassle-free. With these steps, you should successfully replace the LCD cover on your HP 15cs2004ns. Enjoy your refreshed laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.